The concept of veganism, which advocates abstaining from the consumption and use of animal products for ethical, environmental, or health reasons, emerged in the mid-20th century. Originating within some religious communities as a dietary practice, emphasizing compassion towards animals, it gradually spread into broader vegetarianism, marked by the rise of food co-ops in North America during the 1970s and early 1980s. Key developments include the publication of influential books, like How to Be Vegan, 1972, authored by Donald Watson, which provided comprehensive guidance for those considering a vegan lifestyle. As societal awareness about environmental issues escalated in the 1980s and 1990s, many vegetarians began adopting veganism due to its superior contribution towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions, conserving water resources, and mitigating deforestation. Major turning points include the creation of vegan advocacy, organizations like Vegan Action, 1987, and campaigns targeting agricultural subsidies and meat production practices in government policy circles. Despite facing skepticism from some consumers regarding nutrition adequacy and cultural barriers, veganism has seen exponential growth across various demographics worldwide over the past 3 decades, particularly among younger populations who increasingly prioritize sustainability as a lifestyle choice. Its measurable impacts include reduced healthcare costs attributed to lower incidences of diet-related diseases, like heart disease and diabetes, in vegans compared to omnivores, as well as increased biodiversity from reduced agricultural land use for livestock production. Future projections suggest continued growth, driven by increasing consumer consciousness regarding environmental issues, coupled with advancements in food technology, enabling broader access to nutrient-rich plant-based alternatives. AI could aid future vegan innovation through predictive analytics, informing product development trends and dietary needs analysis, while fostering greater public understanding of nutritional requirements essential for sustainable lifestyle choices.